This is the Tesco feed the seagull prank. Every little helps. Where's Bad Leg? Where is he? Can you see him? There's one with a broken leg. Where are you? Din-dins! Din-dins! Watch out for the grumpy people coming. But at least someone's eating the custard creams. These are, just do a quick shout out for sponsorship. Crawford's, what was it? Custard creams. Out of date. They fancy donating a few packs to us, we won't mind. Got to look after Bad Leg. Where is he? He's in the But I think they won the fucking lottery here, look. Oh fuck me, they come, look. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, there's a big one now, look. He's fucking, here comes the dad, look. Here he comes, look, here comes the... Bullying them, look. Oh, look, a little scrap there, look. Here you go, give it. Oh, all we need now is some hot chili sauce. This video hits 50 likes, I'll do it. Let's have a quick look. What else is on the menu today? What else have we got on the menu? Got some Walker's crisps. Give them a little crush up. Say nothing, say nothing. They're going to pick the jackpot there, look.
Tuesdays and Wednesdays, participating cinemas. Standard tickets only, cheapest tickets free. One membership, 12 months, conditions apply. Get a fantastic deal on a brand new van from Eden Vauxhall.
Oh, we got a. What's your opinion there about feeding the seagulls?
I want to feed Bad Leg.
Where's Bad Leg?